Hey, what's up guys, this is R.V.C and I'm back again with another video. This is the Infinix 05 Pro. Well, this phone is not available in the US and Europe, so if you're in any of those regions, then this is not for you. But anyway, let's see what the phone packs. At the back of the package, we have some specifications like dual camera, fast charging, octa-core processor, 5.98-inch Full HD screen. It supports dual SIM with a massive 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. 16 megapixel front-facing camera and XOS skin, which by the way runs on Android 7.0. We have the Infinix branding and 05 Pro all over the box. Unboxing the phone is pretty easy. Just lift up the outer cover. We get the phone with some specifications again on the screen. The phone is kinda heavy but feels premium built. It's metal all round by the way. SIM ejector tool, piece of fiber cloth and user manuals come standard in the package. Another awesome accessory is the TPU back cover, which is also included in the bundle. Finally, we get a pair of earphones, Type-C USB cable and a wall charger, all well packed. Let's jump to the phone itself. At the front we have a 16 megapixel front-facing camera, an LED flash and a speaker grill. Oh, and an LED notification light. One of the side we have a power button, a volume rocker and 2 SIM card slots. The other side we have a micro SD card slot. At the top of the phone we have nothing. At the bottom, we have a microphone, USB Type-C port, a speaker grill, and a noise cancellation mic. At the back, we have dual cameras, 12 megapixel for wide shots and 13 megapixel for 2x zoom. There's also a dual LED flash, and finally a fingerprint scanner. The 5.98-inch Full HD screen is bright, colors are saturated, and text is sharp. The overall performance is awesome. It actually feels snappy and applications open fast. I'm pretty sure it can handle heavy games as well, since it packs Helio P25 chipset with Mali T720 GPU and massive 6GB of RAM. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.